Coralle. En Belle. Hey. En Vera. Vera zijn we aan het poetsen. Ik serieus dat is. Zo groot. Hier is ook nog een beetje. Bellen. Coralle. I thought it's time to lunch her again. And I think it's so great that she is turning into a Friesian horse in her coat. She's getting blacker again, her winter coat. So I like that. Kom. Goed zo. Oh, stappen. Goed zo. Traf. Kom. Goed zo, Coralle. There's a bit of foam on her mouth, and that's a good sign. Come. So I'm happy with that. This is Boukje. This is her old coat, and this is her new coat. So it looks kind of strange. Don't you think, Boukje? And that's Reintje. And I'm going to ride her, but only walk. Hello? Because her leg is not good yet. There's something going on here. Reintje, and I'm very happy that I'm riding her again, but I don't do a lot because in walks she's good, so I think I keep it that way. Maybe I try a little trot to see how she's trotting, but walk is good. Hello? Horse. Well, we also made a little trot, and yeah, it's not perfect, but not really bad. So we quit again. Nee? Hello? I'm going to treat the mud fever again. Here's a little bit, and there's a little bit. So I'm something on it. Okay, I need 2 hands. Waar je hem eruit? Hey. Reintje. Hey Coralle. Nou kom. Bellen. Reintje. Boukje. Doe maar. Sally. Blomke. Come on. Oh, it's raining a bit. Come on. Yveske. Doe maar, Coralle. Oh, everyone is waiting for Coralle. Hello? Goed zo, Reintje. Oh. Hey, Reisje. Nou, doe maar. Hop. Ja. Really? Just go. Hey. Up. Come. Up, 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 up. Come on. Up, up, up. Goed zo, Reisje. Oh, come on. Hey. Goed zo. Kom op. Yveske. Oh, Coralle. Kom op. Hey. Ja, op. Yes, yes, yes. Kom. Kom op. Yvonne en Reintje. And Sally en Blomke, Coralle en Belle, Boukje en Reintje. And they have some new grass there. They found it. Hi. Where shall I begin? For me, it's very, very, very strange to be here because I'm in Beesterswaag for a couple of weeks now. It's over there. It's the rehab where I was 2 years ago, June 21, 2022, and now it's October 10th, 2024. And I'm for a couple of weeks now over there, just 1 or 2 times a week. And today I had a psychologische test. Last week I did have two of those tests, and today one, and it takes a lot of energy. And with that test, maybe you recognize this from the first video I made after my accident. That's why I wanted to go here. Because when I was there after my accident, I was a lot here just to walk and try to learn to walk. And I know from that video that I couldn't hear that good, and now it's better. This ear doesn't work that good yet, but that ear is okay. So it's very strange to be here again. But I have those tests to search for the problem in my head. So maybe they can help. I don't know. We shall see. I can't say anything about it. Also because that's one of my problems. If I hear something for the first time, I can't remember that good. So I think next week or maybe later they're going to tell what's my problem, what is broken in my brain, and then they can help me to live with it, to deal with it. I think I already do that very good, but maybe I'm a bit too it's okay because of my problems in my head. I don't know. So I'm going to share this with you. So in that way you also know there's something wrong in my head, and maybe you already recognize that there's something else going on like I was before, but maybe not, because on the outside it's kind of normal. But yeah, I try to have some help. There it is. Yveske. Boukje, Belle en Coralle. En Sally en Blomke. Hey Belle. Hallo? Boukje? Hey Reintje. Hallo. Well, see you in an hour. I have to go.